Hello, it's Cam at Wrexham Volkswagen showing you today this approved used Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line edition. It's finished in red. This 2025 model comes with a 1.5 TSI petrol plug-in hybrid engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The IQ Light HD Matrix LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night, and this car stands on 20-inch alloy wheels in the black style design. There is around 650 litres of usable boot space capacity in this car, allowing for larger luggage items as well as shopping to fit in with no problem. There is storage just underneath the boot space as well, and there is a button to close the boot automatically located up here. Stepping into the back, we see the black leather seats included in the leather package, which do have the contrasting blue seams running through them. There are ISOFIX points located on these seats, and the fold-down armrest will reveal two cup holders that come out of this end tray here. There is also this rear climate control panel located at the back as well, with two USB-C charging ports. Making our way up front, we see the continuation of the black interior with contrasting features on the dash and door sills. These seats are the same as in the back, this time with additional side support for extra comfort, and they do include massage features as well as electronical operations. Here's a closer look at the 3-spoke multifunctional leather-wrapped flat-bottom R-Line steering wheel, which does include controls on the left for the cruise control and volume, and on the right for the hands-free options as well as the heated steering wheel. The virtual cockpit has different driver display layout options to best suit driver preference. These do include radio options as well as different media and driving assistance settings. The climate controls are located on the main touchscreen infotainment system, as well as the operations for the heated and ventilated steering wheel, which have varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions. We can also access hands-free telephone as well as radio with FM and DAB, and Bluetooth connectivity to connect to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And the driver can also access satellite navigation. There is a placement here for the driver's phone, and when lifted up there is two USB-C charging ports and two additional slots as well. In addition to this, when putting the car into reverse, it will bring up the rear view parking camera and satellite imagery. The camera also follows the direction of the wheel to help maneuver the car even better. Behind the centre console are two exposed cup holders, and the armrest can be lifted up to reveal storage inside. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this approved used Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line edition. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team now.